and hate me, be my guest. The goal is to be better than their last release, bro. Yan yung goal, man. Yan yung goals natin dito, man. Be better than yesterday, bruh. But yeah, that's my new song. Friday. Yeah, thanks, bro. I made that song 2018. No, I made the beat 2018. Wrote some lyrics during this quarantine. Bars. But yeah, that's facts though. One, two, three. So some gems for you, Motion. When you're cutting up samples, make sure you count 18 or 8 to 16 bars. So like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That shit lit, bro. Joe, Paulo, what's up, man? We're chilling here, bro. How is you, man? Natry mo na mag-cut ng samples, bro. I don't know. I haven't used fucking Logic, bro. Cause that shit looks like fucking, I don't know. That shit looks like what guitar was it? Something about the Apple apps, bro. It doesn't scream creativity for me, you know. No, that's just for me though. So that's why I haven't tried Logic or Ableton, bro. I'm gonna chop this part, but I think I'm gonna chop another one. Cause fuck it. What up, bro? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Huh? You don't cry, man. I'm cutting up samples right now, bro, so give me time to make this shit good. Fuck it, I'm just gonna, yeah. Change your plans, bro. Change your plans. Put it in slide 6, bro. What's up, Senpai? I'm gonna delete this shit cause fuck it. I'll make a drums. I'll make some drums and then yeah, I'm gonna continue doing this shit. Yo, goddamn, how is you doing, DJ Eli? Goddamn, man, how is life in New York, bro? I'm gonna do some lyrical shit, bro, with this shit, you know. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna try this shit kick. I need something faster. Yo, what's up, Ken the Dope 14, man? Shout out to you, bro. How is you doing, bro? Where are you from, man? Thanks, bro. Trist Levi, how is you doing, bro? How is you doing? My mom's bugging me about how is you doing instead of how are you doing, bro. Okay, that's lit. That's lit. I'm gonna keep it like that, bro. I'm gonna keep it simple like shit. I'm gonna record this shit right now, huh? Notes and automations. 3, 2, 1. Bro, record, man. What are you doing, bro? Oh yeah, shout out to Wazim Falaki, bro. That shit my boy, bro. This boy been supporting me since the beginning, bro. So yeah, fuck with that guy, bro. I think he make beats too, so check him out. Cause I think we're linked up cause making beats and all that. So yeah, make sure you support that guy, bro. Yeah, I'm making beats right now too, bro. I was digging some samples and then yeah. I'm from Tagasan ka po. Originally from Cebu, Philippines, but then I moved here in Washington DC since 2015. So yeah. How about you, man? Ken the Dope 14, bro. Where is you from, man? Where is you from, bro? Woo! Fucking bangers, bro. Bangers, bro. Fucking Kanye West type of shit. Oh yeah, Cebu, bro. Yeah, we're repping Cebu all the way, bro. All the way, bro. I'm gonna do like. I'm gonna do something like that. Oh yeah, Mindanao, bro. Mindanao, man. Shout out to mga taga Mindanao, man. Lit. That's lit, bro. Dun, 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 dun. Woo. Yo, what's up, Jake? What's up, Jake? Yeah, send me beats, bro. I'm trying to listen to your beats, bro. You've been telling me you sent some beats, but you didn't, bro. You think I was kidding, bruh? Yeah, my YouTube channel is just Sage Music, so XAJE Music. So yeah, check my beats. Check my my beat channel is Sage FM, but my main channel is Sage Music, where I just make beats and all that shit. So yeah, check my shit out, bro. Woo. Fucking fire, bro. I actually made some drill type beat like 2-3 days ago, bro. So that's not a challenge no more. Matter of fact, I'm gonna tag you when I make another one, bro. I'm gonna pitch this shit up, cause this shit is same fucking pitch. I hate this shit. So 12. Peep me. put it in your story later. Wait, what? I'm just gonna keep it the same, bro. Something's not it. Yeah, I got you, bro. Yeah, I'ma tag you, man. I got you, bro. Dun, dun. Yeah, bro. That shit bouncing though. I'm gonna make something different. So hi-hats.
Activate office to create and then insert it
Oh, that shit bouncing like shit, boy. Shout out Braille LL. What's up, boy? Salamat, Ken. Thank you, bro. sakto lang, man. It's just alright, bro. Set. I'm gonna add this shit though. So I'm gonna add this shit to here. So I'm gonna cut this shit too. So wait lang. It's gonna be fire, bro. Woo! Woo! Boy, you're not ready for this shit. Yeah, bro, new track Friday, 6 p.m. Filipino time. So yeah, check this shit out. I'm gonna push this shit up, so it will go up in the high register, bro. High octave, bro. Nah, it doesn't work. Yay, what up, Steven, bro? What's up? Let's see. You're back. Let's see. Some chill vibes for you in the morning. This is some vlog type beat, bro. Vlog type beat, bro. Alam mo yung pang background music, bro, for vlogs and shit. Oh boy, stop fucking with me, bruh. Stop fucking with me, bruh. Ah shit. Shit lit.
Wow, what's this one?
Record that shit. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Boy! What is he doing, man? Sup, cooks? Goddamn, nagluto og mga beats nung karon gad, ako nagluto og kanta. Listen to this shit. Boy. That shit tasty, bro. Tasty, bro. So the whole thing, I probably don't want to make a bass of this shit. Shout out to Slum Bandit, bro. That's my boy from my high school, bro. Shit. Yo, making beats, bro. You know what's up. Fucking lit, bro. I'm done with this shit. Yeah. That's lit. What up? Underscore DA underscore D underscore I under. What is your name, bro? What is your name, bro? But yeah, shout out to you, man. I'm just making beats. How is you? What type of beats you want, bro? Because I got you. Yeah, shout out to Dizzle, bro. Dizzle. You want this type of beats? Say nah. You want this type of beats, bro? Say nah. I got hella shit cooked up though, but I got you. What kind of songs do you listen to though? So I can just like, you know, put some beats between the like genres we've been listening to, you know. But what is you doing though? Why is this not playing though? That shit lit. I'm gonna tell you some melodic shit with this shit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, I just wanna freestyle on the roster. Russ, bro. Say it was G something. Yes, bro. Solid fan, bro. Solid fan, bro. Try that shit too. Freestyle like shit, bro, but I'm trying though. Yeah, yeah, doing that. Been stopping in the minute, like it, never gonna check me, I never lacking. On his own, I never stop. What did it say? What did it say? Yeah, I'm making beats and never stopping. Never checking me, cause I'm never lacking. What the fuck? I'm dead, I'm gone, I'ma finish this. I just want to dance in a minute, bitch. On the dance in a bit of leg. Or something like that's and I get this It's a G, right? I'm kind of confused because this shit not fucking. time I'm fucking done, bro. I'm finished this beat. So that's the lead for this beat, because I'm not gonna, you know, overcomplicate this bitch. Done with this beat, bro. Yeah, I'm done, bro. Peace out. Thanks for viewing my live, you know. Peace. Thank you.